Hi, I'm Gayl Hubatch, Doctor of Chinese Medicine. I'm at my center here, Blue Heron Center in Lakeway, Texas, and I'm offering a fun class called Energy Medicine for Bodyworkers. As a practitioner of energy medicine for the last 3 decades, I want to share with you some of my knowledge that can be applied easily to bodywork. You know, energy medicine's a broad term and can include a lot of things from acupressure, acupuncture, even the food we eat has energy, the way we think, how we breathe and interact with people in the world. So we'll start out talking about energy medicine and what it is, so you have a sense of that, and then do some simple practices, Qigong practices, that will help you to be able to align yourself, connect with different energy centers, feel those energy centers. And as you develop your awareness and ability to perceive energy flow in the body, then you will know where to access it and how to encourage the flow and how to help it balance for your clients. The clients will end up feeling refreshed and nourished and balanced. And it's a way for you as a practitioner to practice with more ease and less force. So using energy in your practice is really vital and can bring you a lot of reward, both personally and professionally. We'll have a Zoom meeting, and so I'll be sharing some slides. I have a short video presentation. We'll be doing some Qigong practice together and hands-on work. I hope to see you March 7th. Bye.